Round 2 up here by Eureka. Sasquatch, A.K.A. Bigfoot. We're looking. It's kind of tight squeeze in here. So, yeah, I come out for a funeral, like I said, smoking cigars. Had the time of my life. So you got some kind of trails that go up into here. I don't know. You don't know what's up in here. Kind of go out the beaten track. Kind of goes in the other trail too as well, but you never know. Kind of fun to follow different trails, especially on the Oregon coast. Scenic highway. Might me my fault, what do you want to call it? Got someone coming my way. How you doing?
I have one behind me.
No problem. How's the bike riding today? I'm coming, I can kind of, we'll see if he comes. He's taking his time. The scenic highway in the Oregon coast has got a lot of trails. I was out there in '87 to see my sister, and it was during a drought, and you could, how's it going?
How are you?
I'm well. So, and you can walk back into the trail. It's really kind of cool. Scenic highway is really cool. Overlooks the Columbia Gorge. It's gorgeous. All kinds of fun stuff. Oh. You guys see anything out here? Yeah, because some people get upset that you call it Bigfoot, and there's been a lot of fake hoaxes of people allegedly finding Bigfoot, right? Dressed in a costume. There was some guy, I don't know if it was in Oregon or somewhere, or California, he got killed crossing the highway in his Bigfoot outfit. No, I'm like, come on, man. Like I said, same vein of people hunting for ghosts. North Carolina, the ghost train, and they're on the railroad track, and one jumps off, one gets hit, other gets killed because they thought the train was a ghost train. And who knows? I don't actually look for ghosts for fun, but you're gonna see when those pop up in front of you. Kind of cool. Be fun. I have money saved up. Let's take a hole. Well, I'm still healthy when I retire, and walk the Appalachian Trail. It'd be epic as hell. You guys see anything? Hello. This could be a UFO, right? People like to look for UFOs too as well. You know, they can come kidnap me and take me away from all this madness, right? Presidential election, all behavior. Like Kamala saying that he's the incumbent because he's been acting like a president, the hunch. Pretty funny. Got all pissed off about that. Saw that today. That was hilarious. So he has all these meetings down there at Mar-a-Lago with people. Fake presidential seals. Anything down there? One thing with this camera, I can get like about 5 videos on one battery compared to the GoPro. I still like my GoPro. This is a far better camera. I mean, I got the closed mic on there in the microphone. It's a basic microphone that you use for a phone. It's the beauty of it. So I know they have the ones that are. Oops, sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries.
Sorry. Oh, you know, in search of Bigfoot and Sasquatch.
All right, let me know if you find them.
I will.
One of them's my brother.
All right. Very nice. Well, you never know, man. I'll let them know. We don't want to see any dead bodies. Got a little tree down over here. Yeah, it must be pretty popular hiking and also biking, so kind of tell. Looks like that just came down. Never know, man. You don't know if you don't go. You can't find him if you don't go looking. I mean, you can watch videos on YouTube and try to find it and go look for yourself. It's like trying to find lost treasures, right? All these lost treasures in Arizona. The what the hell is that one called? The Lost Dutchman mine up in the Superstitious Mountains, and all kinds of stuff up there. So I keep hearing it. I feel like I'm being watched by follow me or something. It's really kind of weird. I'm serious. We're in the woods. Someone's watching you. It's that song. Somebody's watching me. Dun, dun. Never know. There's a lot of old gold up in the Oregon mountains that have been lost or something, buried for people to find. Never know, man. Prospecting still close at hand. Would he hang out in trees, you think? Oh, these right here. Plenty of foraging Sasquatch, A.K.A. Bigfoot could do. You think so? What a color. We're already in September, you guys, for all you YouTubers. Begging season close at hand. So anyways, guys, we'll continue our quest for Sasquatch, A.K.A. Bigfoot, in the mountains of California. So anyways, guys, from the outskirts, somewhere in the California mountains.